of more than 100 students, Malaysians and non-Malaysians, combining their efforts to produce this production. I want to thank each and every one of them, the cast, the crew, and my committee. Without them, this would have ceased to be. Special thanks to Tuan Faisal for directing this play, and definitely to the sponsors, and to all of you for coming today. I will not bore you with another long speech, for the time for speeches and formalities is not now. But rather, now is the time for us to enjoy this play, to enjoy this musical. And I guarantee it will leave you. And I guarantee it will leave you cheering the characters on. And you not want to leave. And before this, we gave you the taste of Malaysia. Then this, ladies and gentlemen, is the sights and sounds of the place we call home. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Vince Chong. Seems like a long text, but a few words only. But anyway, and for your information, our president, Mr. Vince Chong, shares the name with one of the most popular artists in Malaysia, the very first winner of Academy Fantasia. And a few moments time, you will see that he also shares a little bit of the talent as well, inshallah. And without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, this show will not go on without the help from the International Student Office. So with that, I would like to welcome Miss Fiona Brown to give a few words of wisdom, perhaps. Miss Fiona Brown.
Words of wisdom, I'm afraid I don't have. But on behalf of the International Office, I'd like to thank Vince and all the committee for all of the hard work you've put in to putting on such a splendid evening, and to wish you all a very lovely evening. I hope you enjoy it. Manchester has a very proud tradition in welcoming students from Malaysia and other parts of Southeast Asia, and it's a great honour for us to be involved this evening. Thank you.
Miss Fiona Brown. Now, Miss Fiona Brown, can I ask you to stay on stage? Alright, now, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, shall we invite Miss Fiona Brown to strike the gong to officiate the play for tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, Canary, 3 different worlds, 1 eternal bond. Ladies and gentlemen, may I ask you to sit back, relax, but watch out very carefully for this canary bird as it leads the 3 friends into the haunted house that changes their lives forever. May the show begin.
Rakcak toyodo pucak hujan sanati natan agan tati limo perkahwinan pinok pinan yodoh anak uang tajawati. Hujan lagi gelak gamak di yubuk salam musim hujan salam kuya agam protokol togo. Dari pintu Jabar Rawang anak tanggal 12, alamat di dalam Nikol 2 sudah menjadikan si panji bendera sudah agak berkibar-kibar ada. Ayah itik penuh reban lembu kerbau penuh dan juga kanan seperti lampu dengan penduduk kecil pohon besar buah. Tubuh beruntung pada betul lagi blow play. Itu dia. Maharaja Sirama, anak pada Sirat Maharaja Baka Cakawati Rama Amat Adan titih baik maka bangsawan. Maka sudah jelas nyata, negara Kuala Dua aman makmur hendaknya. Ekonomi gagah perkasa, bursa saham mencanak naik tinggi matanya. Tetapi hamba raja yang berjaya, boring adanya.